Hi friends, it's load shedding. Electricity has been gone for like more than 5 hours. Oh gosh. So I just wanted to share something real quick. I learned something from this Scale Your Sales challenge. It's the most valuable challenge I've ever been in thus far. So I'm really enjoyed it. One thing that was said was that Facebook is a pay to play kind of platform. So what that means essentially is that when you what you want to be doing is on your personal timeline. You don't want to be talking always about your business or how to make money, all those things, because every time you write something and then these things like these words like sales or free or business type of vibe, the Facebook algorithm will just pick up that, hey, this person is trying to push their business using Facebook, to get to get more reach. So what they do is that the algorithm will show less people your post. What Facebook really wants is for you to run an ad, like pay for it and run an ad. So the lady who was teaching us in this challenge, she's a Facebook ads expert. Okay, so she went as far as saying, even if you have like a lot of followers, a lot of engagement, a lot of likes, even you, like, Facebook will make, let's say you have like 1,000 followers. Okay, it'll only show to 2% of your followers because they want you to pay. I was like, what? This is so ridiculous. But we get for those who know, we can all see that it's actually, yeah, that's how Facebook makes its money, through ads. Okay, so definitely the less it will definitely want to show to less people. So what I encourage you to do on your timeline, try not to write too much of those red flag words like your sales, your promotion, just all those type of keywords. Try to avoid them. Or if you want to really say those words on your personal timeline, go as far as doing a video. Okay, if you don't want to show your face, you see what I'm doing. I'm showing a lantern. Okay, so just go as far as sending your message across on a video, and on the text just write something that has nothing to do with getting those keywords out there. So that's what I encourage you to do. And if you want to, sometimes I feel like our friends, like I have friends who are not my target audience. So if I'm constantly always talking about business or how to make money, or and they're really maybe not interested in that, or they find it that it's not as easy as, like, making money is not that as easy as I make it sound, which of course it's not easy. If it were easy, everybody would be making money. Okay, it's just you need to put in the work. But the point is, rather redirect, like create a Facebook group where you can talk to your target audience. So write it on your timeline, do a video, and redirect people to your Facebook group where you can always post about all your business content, or and always try to make it personal. I feel like we're always talking way too much about getting sales all the time. Just use attraction marketing. If you don't know it, just Google, YouTube it, learn about attraction marketing. It's like the key to, if you are using social media as a tool for you to market your business. Learn attraction marketing is a good skill to obtain. And yeah, I wish you all the best, and I hope the lights come on soon. Okay, cool.